Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're running the HRC with High Road Comics. And today, I am actually just gonna go over the comics that I'm gonna get sometime this week. I actually ordered these online. There are a few that I'm gonna pick up from my LCS today, but I won't be able to reveal them until I get all my comics together. Usually, lately, it's been on Monday. Worth it. Saving a little bit of money, and still shopping around for a new LCS. I mean, I got one, but not ready to commit. Okay, so Wednesday, July 10th, 2019. That's today. This is what I'm going to be grabbing. So from well, okay, so from DC Comics, we got Batman number 74. There's a cover A by Mitch Gerads and cover B by Juan Jimenez. So let's go ahead and see. There's cover A and cover B. I went with the cover B. I think this would be pretty badass to get a sketch remark on. I like covers with the white backgrounds. Let's just hope it comes in great condition. Okay, so let's see. Batman and the Outsiders number 3. I went with the Anceletto cardstock variant. I kind of like the cardstocks. Detective Comics number 1007 went with the Quintana cover B. It's actually been a while since Batman and Detective Comics been coming out the same week. They were offset, which I like better, but yeah, this cover is pretty awesome. Event Leviathan number 2, I went with the Fabic, Jason Fabic. So one of my LCSs here, Yesteryear Comics, he usually gets, Mike usually gets Fabic to do store exclusives, which are pretty awesome. This is a pretty badass cover. Let's go ahead and keep going. Naomi number 6, looking forward to that. Man, there's a lot from DC this week. So this is wrapping up the Naomi. We finally have all of our mainstream DC heroes right behind her. It's time to see what she's all about. I'm ready to go. Superman number 13. We have the Reese and Prado cover A and the Adam Hughes cover B. I actually don't remember what I got. I wonder if I could sign in and it'll say it was previously ordered. I'll do that for next week's video. So here's cover A. I think that's what I got. Yep, I definitely got cover A. And Young Justice number 7 should be good. Didn't grab it, but if there's something key that happens, I'm probably gonna grab it in my LCS real time. So we got IDW with nothing. I'm actually be right back. Wanted to show you something. So besides Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I definitely want to start grabbing these. I got, oh great, green background. I got this 1 in 10 variant of Transformers Ghostbusters. I'm actually going to post it on Instagram tonight and show you what I got. So cool. But I saw the Transformers Optimus Prime diecast at Walmart and I was like, damn, Transformers, they're cool again. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with Marvel Comics. Amazing Spider-Man number 25. Pretty sure I didn't grab any of these because I grabbed the Comics Elite store exclusive, the brown variant, and I got the Virgin. It's pretty badass. But out of all these, I think it was the Gleason that was my favorite. Let's go ahead and take a look. Not final art, but I mean, it's Gleason. It's gonna pop. Avengers number 21. There's a cover A and a cover B. So the Jim Chung Carnageized variant. Carnageized. That's how you say it. I didn't grab that one. Might regret it, but I actually grabbed cover A. Black Cat number 2. I can tell you right now, no, I didn't go with the J. Scott cover A, but I went with the Mark Brooks Carnageized variant right here. How can you say no to this? Out of stock, sold out. I grabbed it. Gonna try to get this signed. Invisible Woman number 1. The Stephanie Hans. Grabbed it. Fan. Iron Heart number 8. Let's see. Savage Sword of Conan number 1. I went with the Chiquetto cover A. Badass. And oh, almost missed it. Miles Morales Spider-Man number 8. Whoops. Oh. Comic list. My bad. Let's go down to Marvel. Alright, Symbiote Spider-Man number 4. Don't remember which one I got. So let's take a look at all of them. Here's cover A. Greg Land. Cover B, the Lim variant. And Savick. I think I went with the Lim. Going out on a limb that I got the Lim. Thor number 15. I got cover A, but I just want to show you cover B. It's pretty awesome. Don't know what 15 looks like, but I grabbed it. And then there's this Carnageized variant. Wolverine versus Blade special number 1. I'm totally going out of order right now. I got the Scalera. I'm really a fan of Scalera's work, especially when he's drawn Blade. Venom number 16. I wanted to get the Ron Lim Carnageized, but saving money, got the cover A. Look at that. And cover B. War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas number 3 goes to second printing. War of the Realms Omega number 1. I hope I got the cover A. Can't remember. Huge not a fan. Yep. Cover A. And the Garni. I might have went with Garni because some of these classified covers they turn out being pretty great. And X-Men number 1 goes Facsimile. So there's a lot that came out tomorrow. I'm surprised that many came out from DC Comics, but whatevs. Also got Source number 4. And please tell me that's it. That is it. That's all I got. Thank you for being here. Please let me know in the comment section below, what are you going to grab? And see you at the next stop.